Yeah, hi, welcome to everyone. In the previous video, we discussed about refraction of light, laws of refraction and refractive index. In this video, our topic is refraction of light by spherical lenses. Refraction of light by spherical lenses. Spherical lens plays a major role in our daily life. Okay, now see this, it is a magnifying lens. Basically, so many people use this magnifying lens to read the books clearly. Basically, so many watch repair mechanics and watchmakers use this magnifying lens to see the small parts of the watch. Okay, and we can use a spherical lens in specs, and we can use a spherical lens in telescopes to see the planets, stars, and we use the spherical lenses in cameras to converge or diverge the rays, and we can use a spherical lens even in film projectors. These are the some of the uses of the spherical lens. But basically, what is the meaning of spherical lens actually? Okay, what is the meaning of spherical lenses? A lens is a piece of transparent glass bounded by one or two spherical surfaces. Read clearly. A lens is a piece of transparent glass bounded by one or two spherical surfaces. Okay, now see this. These two are the spherical surfaces. When I combine these two, I get this material. I get this lens. It is a convex lens. Basically, how it looks actually? It is bulging outwards, right? It is bulging outwards. Basically, it is thicker. It is thicker at the middle and thinner at the edges. It is a convex lens. A lens may be have two spherical surface bulging outwards. Such a lens is called double convex lens. It is simply called as convex lens. So, it is bulging outwards. It is thicker at the middle when compared to edges. It is called a magnifying lens. Okay, now see this convex lens. It is a convex lens when some parallel beam of light rays, are coming and falling on the convex lens, the convex lens will converge. The convex lens will converge the light rays at a point called focus. So convex lens is also called converging lens. Okay, for example, the sun is at infinity, means we get parallel rays and heat rays. So convex lens will converge the light rays at a point called focus. You put the paper piece at the focus, the paper starts burning due to the converging of light rays. Simple. So concave lens is a converging lens. It converges the light rays. Okay, and the next lens is concave lens. It is a concave lens. See this clearly, it looks like say cave. So concave lens is thin in the middle. It is thin in the middle and thicker at the edges. The concave lens is very thin in the middle but thicker at the edges. So when some parallel beam of light rays are coming and falling on the concave lens, it will diverge the light rays. See this clearly, it will diverge the light rays. So it is called diverging lens. So concave lens is a diverging lens. In this lesson, we mainly discuss about convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens is a converging lens. It converges the light rays, and concave lens is a diverging lens. It diverges the light rays. Convex lens is bulging outwards. It is thicker at the middle and thinner at the edges. And concave lens is thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges. Okay. Our next topic is terms related to spherical lenses. If you clearly know about terms of the spherical mirrors, then the spherical lens is very easy for you. Okay. Now see this, it is a convex lens and it is the optical center. It is the optical center. It is the center of this convex lens. It is denoted by letter O. Optical center means center of this spherical lens. Basically, what is the meaning of spherical lens? A lens is a piece of transparent glass bounded by one or two spherical surfaces. Okay, it is a convex lens. It is bounded by one or two spherical surfaces. So it contains two center of the curvatures C1 and C2, and it is the principal axis. It is the principal axis, the line joining center of the curvatures and optical center is called principal axis, just like a spherical mirror. Okay, now see this, it is a convex lens. When some parallel rays are coming and falling on this convex lens, it will converge the light rays at a point called focus. It is a convex lens, it contains two spherical surfaces, so it contains two focus, right? It contains two focus, f1 and f2. If the rays are coming on this side like this, so the rays are converges at this focus f2. So spherical lens contains two focus. Okay, it is a terms of this convex lens. 2f1 is also called c1 and 2f1 both are same, don't confuse about it. 2f2 and c2 both are same. 2f2 and c2 both are same. 2f1 and c1 and 2f2 and c2 both are same. So it is a terms of the convex lens. 2f1, f1, optical center, f2 and 2f2, it is the terms of this convex lens, and it is a principal axis, the line joining 2f1, f1, optical center, f2 and 2f2 is called principal axis. Okay, don't confuse about 2f1 is also called c1, 2f2 is also called c2. Okay, fine. And it is about terms of the concave lens, same just like convex, it contains 2f1, f1, f2, 2f2, optical center and principal axis. Okay, it is a terms about the spherical lenses, right?